the tiny birds that save buffaloes every day, nature's cleaning team. Imagine carrying thousands of blood-sucking parasites every single day. Now imagine your only relief comes from a bird no bigger than your hand. This is one of nature's most fascinating partnerships, a tiny bird that keeps one of Africa's largest animals healthy. Welcome to the incredible world of buffaloes and their feathered helpers. Across the African savanna, massive African buffaloes spend their days grazing through tall grass. But hidden beneath their thick hides is a constant threat. Ticks, fleas, and other parasites latch onto their skin, feeding on their blood and causing painful irritation. Left unchecked, these parasites can weaken the buffalo and spread dangerous diseases. Fortunately, help is already on the way. Perched calmly on the buffalo's back is the red-billed oxpecker. Instead of harming the buffalo, the bird searches carefully through its fur, picking off ticks, insects, and parasites one by one. Every parasite becomes a nutritious meal for the bird. The buffalo barely reacts, standing quietly as the tiny cleaner moves across its body. Sometimes several oxpeckers work together, cleaning the buffalo's neck, shoulders, ears, and even around its eyes, places the buffalo cannot easily reach. This relationship is called mutualism. The buffalo enjoys relief from irritating parasites, while the oxpecker receives a reliable source of food. It's a natural partnership that has evolved over thousands of years. Scientists have found that although oxpeckers remove many parasites, they may also drink blood from open wounds, making this relationship more complex than it first appears. Even so, these remarkable birds remain a familiar sight wherever buffaloes roam. In the wild, survival isn't always about strength. Sometimes, it's about teamwork. A tiny bird and a giant buffalo prove that even the most unlikely partnerships can help life thrive. Nature is full of extraordinary connections waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this wildlife documentary, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and join us for more amazing stories from the natural world. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.